rolling.
Hi guys, I'm full.
Yeah, you just have to keep on talking.
I've already eaten all
Yeah.
of my pancit.
As you can see, we're all finished and we're all full. Can you show your belly?
Oh, I don't have one.
Oh, really? She's lying, guys. She has belly.
I have
But-
no one.
Yeah, no one.
I have no belly, okay?
What? What did
I
you
have
say?
no belly.
No belly? What do you call this? Me, I yeah, she's kidding. She's a very funny person.
No, I'm not one.
Yeah.
Very funny person.
Just have to keep on talking.
Hi.
You,
안녕하세요.
say hi in three different language. Hi.
Hi.
Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo.
Kumusta?
Korean. Kumusta? Sheshe.
So-
I think you pala yun.
How about Mandarin?
Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma.
Ni hao ma.
Yeah. So how's your love life?
Yeah. I'm so sad.
Yeah.
I don't-
But he has boyfriend.
We don't have communication.
Yeah, it's LDR like her.
Oh,
They both
yeah.
have boyfriend. They both have
You also
boyfriend.
have boyfriend.
I'm always single.
No.
But ready to make. Yeah.
You don't need to.
Yeah. Yeah. So. Why? You're so pretty. She's very camera shy. Like she's always camera shy, but they are both very, very gorgeous.
Camera shy.
Gorgeous person.
Never.
Inside and out. Inside and out. Yeah. Napanoorin na natin.
Let's go.